The Ohio Emergency Management Agency sent this letter to the Hamilton County Emergency Management Agency, notifying them that more than a dozen city entities and nonprofits didn't make the cut to get funding assistance after August's flood. Betsy Zink-Nesba, executive director of Melodic Connections, was one of the nonprofits on the list.
Pretty disappointing news. This was one of the only avenues that we really had for any kind of financial assistance.
A reality that Hamilton County Commissioner Todd Portune says is not acceptable.
Very disappointed to a certain degree. Couldn't believe it. How did we not qualify for relief with all of the millions of dollars of damage that was recorded and the applications received that we in turn then were in the process of submitting, both to the state and to FEMA.
Ohio's EMA says there are other options for those on the list.
We were working two lanes. We were working to see if we could get federal or state assistance for the residents, and then we were working to see if we could get federal or state assistance for the local government.
Nesba says those options haven't looked promising.
It's really hard being a small nonprofit. It's been really difficult finding ways to get back on our feet, especially with the finances.
I don't think we should just accept the initial decision. I think we need to dig deeper. We need to look very closely at why the state and the Fed said what they said and see if we can't get a better answer.
Now, Hamilton County's overall application was just shy of the $2.8 million per capita requirement. Alexis Rogers, WLWT News 5.
All right.